All right, guys, welcome to day 8 of take 5. Let's get started today on our backs. 3, 2, 1. Come on down. Exhale, you're going to cross left ankle over right leg. Put your hands behind your head, and then I invite you to pick up your butt and crunch up at the same time. So tap. So my right elbow comes up to reach for my left knee, and then my right foot lifts and lowers. Good, so nice little easy warm up right here. 4, 3, kidding when I say easy, by the way. And last one. Good, exhale, switch your legs. Same thing, let's go. Cross body, tap. Cross body, tap. Good, cross body. Perfect. Let's do 5, 4, come on. 3, 2, and 1. Now go back to the first side. Left arm reaches out, right elbow comes up, tap. So don't pick up your feet. Tap, okay? 8 of those total, so we have 6, 5. Yes, the goal is to touch. 4, 3, 2, one more rep, and switch, okay? Other hand reaches, crosses, right hand down, we come up. Good. 2, 3, come on, get that elbow across. 4, 5, again, you're pairing these workouts with something else, right? A rest day, a run, a bike, last 2, a strength training workout, your yoga practice, 1. Perfect. Now, exhale, lay both legs out in front of you. Good, and then I want you to very slowly from the ground, bring those legs all the way up, push them straight up, down, and then you're gonna come all the way down. Get to the bottom. 3 more. Up, 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 up. Slow, push up, down. So you're combining that leg lift with that small hollow hold with that reverse crunch. Up, 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 up. Pick up, down. Good. One more time. Ready? Up, 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 up. Push up. Good. Rock up to seated. Now, boat pose. So you're right here. Elbow meets the ground, but my heels are on the ground. So you're going to tap, up, tap, up. If that's too much, you don't have to touch the ground. But the goal for me to you is to get there, okay? You're over halfway through this 5 minutes. Let's keep working hard together. Good. So you want to reach. Good. You want to reach. Bring that up. If you want to reach, bring that up. One more time each side. Reach. Bring it up. Reach. Bring it up. Perfect. Now come to side plank, okay? So come into one forearm. Scissor the feet for me. One foot in front of the other. I'm just going to hold here as you lift your ribs up. Reach your top arm up. Good. Now freeze. Bring your top right leg up. 3. Freeze. 2. Exhale, switch. So put your right forearm down. Notice how I go through forearm plank. I don't lower. Hold and freeze. Top arm is up. Top leg up. Hold. 4. 3. Come on. 2. Lower. Both forearms down. Good. Now exhale. Keep both forearms down, but drop both feet to the right. Stay or add 8. 7. Dip. 6. 5. 4. These should burn. 3. 2. Center. Hold. Exhale. Left. Dip. 8. 7. 6. 5. Come on. 4. 3. 2. Back to center. Good. Stay tight. 3. 2. Woo. Drop those knees. That was a tough one. Now flip on over to your back where we started. Exhale, lay down. Left ankle crosses, right elbow over. 8, 7, 6, 5. We picked up pace. 4. Switch sides in 2 and 1. Switch, other ankle. Good. 8, 7, almost done. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Exhale, knees at 90. Reach those feet out. Hold it. 4. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Nice work today. Hug those knees in tight. Way to crush that core in 5 minutes. Thank you guys so much for taking 5 with me. You're rocking all these out, and I hope that you are feeling stronger in your midsection. Way to work. Thanks, guys.